Howdy, Wrap fam. Guess where we are? Where are we?
We're in Oregon.
We're in Portland, Oregon. We flew out to see our best wrap buddy, Curvaceous Wraps, and her husband. We've been waiting since 2020 to do this Avery collaboration with her. We're gonna be wrapping her car in a brushed metal Medusa print. She's gonna show us around the city. We're gonna have some really fun times together, so we're super excited. We just landed, and now we gotta go find all of our crap.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay.
Cutie! Oh my goodness.
How are you?
Hi! Oh my goodness.
How was it? Good. Tired?
It was not bad at all.
Do I look beautiful?
You look so cute. Wait, put your house in the background. Yeah.
What's up?
Alright, so obviously you guys can see that we're clearly not in Arizona. It is far too green.
Way too green.
Wait, take it this way. Other way. Other way. This way. Yeah, see what is that stuff back there? So we are in Portland, Oregon with our wrap bestie, Miss Curvaceous. And we're doing a really cool collaboration with
Avery Madison.
and then
You guys.
and then
And then me. And then.
and then
And then.
no and then
No and then.
no and then
Just the three of us.
Just us.
Yeah, so Wrapsesh, Final Vixen, Curvaceous Wraps, and of course Avery Dennison. And we're doing your own car, which is a what?
Oh my gosh. So it is a Q60, but it's also a G37. So I don't know. There's some confusion. Lots of numbers.
Too many names.
Yeah.
It's an infinity.
So we flew out to Portland, Oregon to wrap her own car in her own custom design, which give them part of the name. Give them a little hint.
Okay. Well, she turned into stone. Put it that way. So, but,
You got so stoned like you checked out that one chick, that one, yeah, her.
Yeah.
What did you say was called the
So
Ruthless?
yeah, the piece that I'm calling it the Ruthless Reflection.
Yeah.
So again, you know, it must be Medusa, right? So.
Oh, you said it!
Medusa!
Spoiled!
The snakes.
It's okay. It's
You
the
know the girl with the
snake.
snakes?
I'm the girl with the snake. You guys know I actually have a whole thigh dedicated to Medusa
Such a
tattoo.
cool tattoo.
So we're pretty much spending a couple days up here in Oregon. We're gonna like check out a few fun things, go in adventure mode. It's also her birthday tomorrow.
Birthday!
It is. So we're gonna celebrate and we're gonna wrap her car.
Yeah.
And that's the gist.
Happy birthday!
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash, yeah adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote, you gotta know. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
How do you work without any music or anything?
I usually have music.
Oh.
I'm trying to keep quiet until like disturb you guys.
Oh no, you're good. I got up at like 7. Only because I couldn't breathe. Freaking allergies, man.
Oh,
I think I zombie walked into the room last night.
Howdy. Hey. Hi. We're on our last day here, and we're going on a rap adventure to Schwer.
I'm gonna go see, well, my old workplace, PDX Wraps, and also Justin Kate.
Yeah, he claims that Buck Hunter's his favorite game, but pretty sure Buck Hunter's my favorite game.
Yeah, she's pretty good, man. Like, I don't know.
So we'll figure out who's the real favorite. But we're gonna go to an arcade, we're gonna get some food, all good things.
Yeah, rock climbing wall. Rock climbing wall.
That's true, that's true. So it'll be pretty fun, and this will be the night to wrap up the trip.
Wrap her up.
Whoa! Howdy! Hi! Hi! Oh, I got my snacks. I got my snacks.
You got your snack.
Oh, they cornered me! That's so rude! much for watching our vlog episode 2 on our wrap adventures in Portland, Oregon with Curvaceous Wraps and Avery Dennison. Make sure you guys tune in next week if you want to see her final car reveal.
Oh my gosh.
For the, what's the name?
You don't want to miss it. I'm just telling you, you don't want to miss it. And it's going to be called, the piece itself is called Ruthless Reflection.
This, ow.
Good one.
They're bigger than I thought they were. Okay, bye!